We don't get kudos. IT gets complaints or nothing. My name is Kenneth Burdine. I'm the Deputy CIO and Associate Vice President. KCTCS is 16 accredited colleges throughout the Commonwealth of Kentucky. My role is to support the IT directors of all the community colleges under the KCTCS umbrella. With our president, Dr. Box, when he was brought on as system president, he wanted to have a vast wireless presence. And we started off with a Cisco because that's what we had as far as a base service for our infrastructure.
My name's Brandon Bowman. I'm the Chief Operating Officer for CBTS. The relationship with KCTCS started 23 years ago. We bid on an RFP response related to some voice technologies and began in the area of voice and network.
Prior to that, we really did not have a true enterprise wireless focus. Over the years, we had determined that wireless was a huge, huge part for our faculty, staff, and students, but with our community. When COVID hit, we really found out how valuable wireless was. And as we expanded it, we found that we needed more support because wireless is a bear to support. We're over 80 locations throughout the Bluegrass, 3,500 units, indoor and outdoor units. People that use wireless, they use it, they get on, they use it, they get off. It was very hard to troubleshoot. We did not have enough technical personnel.
My name is Robert Hubbard, and I am the Enterprise Service Delivery Manager for KCTCS. Yeah, my role is to ensure that the services are delivered to the colleges.
Our goal is 100% uptime, period.
And to make sure that if there's an issue, we get somebody on that right away to bring the system back up.
When we're down, students can't learn. Went to a conference, met with a really unique CIO for the San Diego Children's Hospital, and he's talking about his experience with Juniper and how he implemented it in a small section of his hospital, Children's Hospital. He said it went from 300 tickets to 0. And I was like, no way. CBTS is a wonderful partner. Typically, when you deal with a managed service provider, they have a particular vendor that they like to work with. And when I approached CBTS with moving toward a Juniper solution, no hesitation. They're like, we will work with you to make sure that you're satisfied. And we will work as hard as we can to get you what you need at the price you need to make it happen. So when we did actually decide to go with Juniper, we had a plan. Our plan was to deploy all 3,500 units in under 90 days. It was not a small task.
And we were able to implement almost 3,500 APs in a 90-day window.
It was a huge undertaking. Everybody said, oh, we were ready to take on that task.
And once we got those completely installed, our tickets dropped dramatically.
No more tickets. Our tickets went from, I don't know, 200 or 300 to 0. I mean, 99.9% just gone. So that's great. So then it gave us a capability of focusing on other things. Using the AI, being proactive instead of reactive, it was giving us the capability to look into our wireless that we'd never been able to do before. We could see DNS issues, we could see bad cable issues, we could see DHCP issues.
And I think a big part of why that partnership has maintained is because we found solutions together.
Would I recommend CBTS and Juniper to others? Absolutely.
They know that we are there 24/7. Every day of the week, we will find a way to solve whatever problem they're dealing with, but also help them plan for their future.
100%. If you want a partner with your managed service provider, CBTS.
So this partnership that Kenny describes is really truly a partnership. We're their extension of their engineering services.
And they listen. That is what's so unique.
We understood what the challenges were, we understood what the end game was, and we worked together in a way to meet those needs.
Well, I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's absolutely a no-brainer.
By helping KCTCS harness advanced AI-enabled solutions, we are empowering them to transform the student experience, delivering smarter, more connected campuses that meet the expectations of today's digital learners.